Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Lucid Dreams on Roblox piano. First, make sure you are in a Roblox game that has a playable piano. Once inside, locate the virtual piano interface. It's important to have your game audio on so you can hear the notes as you play them. We will go through the main melody, which is quite popular and recognizable. Get ready to learn this awesome tune. Now, let's understand the notes we'll be using. Lucid Dreams primarily uses notes within the middle C octave. You'll be focusing on keys like G, A, B, C, D, and E. The song has a melancholic, minor key feel, so pay attention to those specific intervals. We will start with the main riff, which repeats throughout the song. This part is crucial for setting the mood. Let's dive into playing the main melody. Start with the sequence G, A, C, B, A, G. Play this phrase 2 times. Then move to the next part, which is D, C, A, G, A. The rhythm is fairly consistent, so try to keep a steady tempo. This section forms the core of the song's recognizable hook. Practice these parts slowly at first, then gradually increase your speed. To master Lucid Dreams, consistent practice is key. Start by playing each section slowly, ensuring accuracy before increasing your tempo. Listening to the original song will help you internalize the rhythm and feel. If your Roblox game has a metronome feature, use it to refine your timing. Remember, practice makes perfect, and soon you'll be playing this popular tune with confidence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.